tugtog dito. Tugtog ka na ba? Kahit alin dyan.
Ha?
Kahit alin, kahit ano na lang.
Ito to.
Tahimik ko.
Yan. Pwede yan.
Try natin to.
Ito, maganda yan.
Anak, okay to.
Anong, di masyadong kabisado yun eh. Sige,
Getting
sige.
to know each other.
Apo, maganda yan, maganda yan.
Sige lang, sige lang. For you, you call me. It's funny how we get on so easily. We're just friends, aren't we? You got yours, I got mine. Friends are all we ever be. We're getting to know each other a little too well. Starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I light up like a neon sign. We're getting to know each other a little too well. Di na nga ang mundo ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Paalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y galing sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. You're down in trouble, and you need a helping hand. Oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of it, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. Panjay! Just call my name, and you know wherever I am, I can run and see you again. Winter, spring, summer, fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I can. Lunch, and I find myself humming love songs again and again. Too many nights I'm working till 10. And I hope that you know that it's hopeless to go one way. But we're getting to know each other a little too well. Starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I light up like a neon sign. 'Cause we're getting to know each other little too well. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? yun, napakanta tayo. Balik trabaho na.
Hindi nun!
Trabaho na.
Tayo naman. Eh, ito lang yung tinignan natin.
Okay, trabaho na.
Okay, back to work, back to work.